Jotend kanise e kaunti ma Migori okwayo jotend piny owacho migosi Uhuru Kenyatta mondo ores oganda ma pachokae kalure koda uchumi mantiere malo e pachokae. Jotend kanise goeko noloso e bwo duol mar The National Council of Churches Kenya bade mantiere e kaunti no ma Migori. Gikwayo ker mondo okony oganda ma pachokae mar neno ni piny Kenya odwoko chien osuru mathoth ma bende ojakaw e wi mwandu mar mondo mi odwok chien nengo mar modhi. Kanon Joshua Abulo e oboke wacho ni anyuola mathoth yudo achiedh nade mathoth kalure gi medruok mag nengo mwandu e pachokae, komedo wacho ni thoth familia bende osewito johera maggi kalure koda midhusi mar corona.
Mwenye anaongea ndio tutashika.
Manuel Odenyi, Radio Jambo and the Star Newspaper. Okay. We have Celestine Mwango.
The coverage.
That's why you're here, sir.
You know, sometimes NCCK in Migori County.
Thank you.
Yeah, they are relatively, all of them are new in the office. And the chair is Canon Abulo of NCCK.
Thank you.
So he's the one who will read the statement on their behalf.
Thank you.
Yeah.
County Coordinating Committee is deeply concerned about the continuing suffering the people due to constant rise of prices of basic commodities. This is happening at a time when the incomes of the people have been depleted by the COVID-19 pandemic. We plead with the government to reverse the recent increase of taxes and price of fuel to give the citizens a chance to weather through this difficult period. To COVID-19 pandemic, this county coordinating committee has taken time to pray for the people who are infected and those affected by the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. So many families have lost loved ones to the disease, and many others are struggling to finance treatment of these infected. We have welcomed the news that more Kenyans are being vaccinated and urge the government to ensure that adequate doses of the vaccines are purchased to cover the nation. In the meantime, we warn all our brothers and sisters that ignoring the guidelines set by the Minister of Health is suicide. None of us is immune from this disease, and each has a personal responsibility to protect themselves and their neighbors. On their part, we continue to urge clergy and religious leaders to safeguard the pulpit from being used as campaign platform. We must not allow worship services to become toxic as politicians and aspirants use the places of worship as battlefield. This will be our contribution to reduction of the tension that are rising in the country as politicians and aspirants jostle to position themselves for next year's elections.